Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский, мой дом, домашнее задание, страница 22-23. English, Starlight 2, my home, homework, page number 22-23. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 22. Exercise number 1. Прочитай слова и покажи соответствующие части дома на картинке. Сделай макет любой части дома вместе со своими одноклассниками. My home. Мой дом. Repeat after me. Bedroom. Bathroom. Living room. Kitchen. Garden. Kitchen. Bedroom. Garden. Bathroom. Living room. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 23. Exercise number 2. Сыграйте в игру «Где Элвин?» Where is Elvin? Where is Elvin? Is he in the kitchen? Yes, he is. Where is Elvin? Is he in the kitchen? Yes, he is. Where is Elvin? Is he in the garden? Yes, he is. Where is Elvin? Is he in the bedroom? Yes, he is. Where is Elvin? Is he in the living room? Yes, he is. Where is Elvin? Is he in the bathroom? Yes, he is. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. Repeat after me. Where's Elvin? Where's Elvin? Where? He is in the kitchen. He is in the kitchen. Over there. Where's Elena? Where's Elena? Where? She's in the bedroom. She's in the bedroom. Over there. Where's Woody? Where's Woody? Where? He's in the bathroom. He's in the bathroom. over there. Where's Frosty? Where's Frosty? Where? He's in the living room. He's in the living room. Over there. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.